Well, the wedding of the year is still underway. I've got with me Shoaib Malik and Sania. Let's speak to them and ask them about how exactly is their trip going to Pakistan. Shoaib, not exactly what you expected. A lot of happenings during your trip to Pakistan with Sania, of course. Petitions being filed against you. Disappointed, or you were expecting such controversies?
Well, I think we've got so many problems, but the way we handled, the way our families supported us, I think that was the thing. And we newly married. We got married, I think, 14 couple of days back. So we are very happy, and our families are very happy. And the response which we are getting from the people, I think it's very nice, and I would want to thank them. And
Sania, short trip for you. You must have wanted to see a lot of places in Lahore. Has Shoaib told you about any of the places? Do you want to visit any place in Lahore, obviously, the next time you come, maybe?
Well, I'd like to just go out on the street, yeah, to start with. But that's, I mean, I understand the excitement around us and everything here. So, we tried to get out a couple of times, but it didn't happen. But I did see Lahore a little bit at night. I'd like to see it in the day. But I guess next time when I do come back, right now we have some prior commitments that we've made. Well, I have made in India, so I have to go back. But we'll definitely come back and hopefully have a look at Lahore.
Any of the historical places you want to see in Lahore?
Honestly, I'm not so much of a historical places person, to be very honest with you. I'm more of a shopper, so I would like to shop, and I know that Pakistan is very famous for shopping. I mean, I feel so jealous. Everyone who's come with us has been going for shopping every day, and they go all day and come back in the evening. And so, but yeah, hopefully next time when I come back, everything it'll be a little settled down, than this, and hopefully we'll, get a chance to just go out and empty some pockets.
Definitely a big miss for you not able to shop. Now, Sunny, tell us about your sports venture in the future. And obviously, there's a ban on Shoaib. Would you be, as a wife, supporting him in these troubled times?
Well, not just as a wife, and first of all, I don't think it's troubled times. I think we've gotten married. I think it's happy times for us at the moment. And honestly speaking, I don't know much about Pakistan cricket. I don't know how it works. So I was very new to this when he told me, and I found out through the TV. So I think it's he's very confident, and and as a wife, I obviously will support him in not just his cricket but everything else in life as well. And I think that everyone, including you guys, should support him, and wish that he comes back, because he is one of the best players in the team, and he's been the captain, and so hopefully he should, and he will come back in international cricket.
Well, absolutely, Shoaib. Cricket is your passion. Now, tennis should be your passion as well. Again, are you into it? Into tennis?
not yet, because I have to concentrate more on my cricket. And but after my cricketing career, I will think about it.
Shoaib, are you expecting some trouble between the two of you? The World Cup is here. Pakistan and India are likely to, play with each other. Are you gonna just switch off the TV or watch the match?
No, we'll watch the match, and we both are sports person also, and I think it's a sports, and I think it's not India Pakistan thing, and I'm sure we will support. She will support India, and I will support Pakistan, and somewhere we'll have some competition also.
My last question, Shoaib, obviously because of the media as well and a lot of hype, and you guys didn't get to go out each that much. Are you feeling bad about it?
Well, not really, but somewhere we also need some privacy. So it's a humble request to the media. Try and give us some time off, and which I think we are also human being. We would love to go out, see the places, because I think for her it's your first time in Lahore, and she would like to see some places, and I would love to show her some places if we will get some time off from the media.
Before I sign off, Sania, a lot of people are misunderstanding or perhaps not sure if you're really happy or not being in Lahore and being in Pakistan. Could you just, respond to that?
I'm not sure what the meaning of being happy is. If that means smiling 24 hours a day, I don't think that's humanly possible to start with. Secondly, I don't think it's humanly possible to smile and laugh when you have when you're kind of fighting for your life in between 1,000, 1,500 people jumping on you. So no, I'm very happy. I don't know why this has started. I think there was no other controversy to start, so they wanted to start something. I don't know what the deal was, but we're very happy, and I'm very happy. Obviously, I'm going to be very happy. I've met his family in Pakistan for the first time, and I've come to my husband's country, and we're having 2 functions here. So obviously, I'm very happy, and for everyone who thinks that I'm not happy because I haven't smiled in those 2 footages that someone has shown, then I'm sorry, but that's wrong. I'm extremely happy, and I'm overwhelmed by the response and the love that we've gotten from everyone here.
Thank you, Shoaib and Sania. There you heard. Sania is all happy, and she would have been happy if she would have been able to go out for shopping. And Shoaib, of course, is all keen to come back in the Pakistan cricket team. Well, that's all for me for the moment. Back to the studio.